Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sarth. Today I will do project class 16 invited junior. So let's start. Go invited junior, open your project and I done and I do repeat. Okay, it's open. Okay, I am do sign in and I do Remax. Okay, it's done and I will go in design, click on screen and right here bricks app. Okay, I write bricks game. I write game. Sorry, I will write here bricks app. Okay, I change the background of the screen. I do him yellow. Okay, I do his yellow, and here I will click and change the color. Change the color. I do is to blue. Okay, and here I will do him red. No. Okay, I'll write and see what color is. No, not red. I do here green. Okay, and here text. I do purple. Okay, I do the color to purple color, and here also do I purple. Okay, I do the color of this is purple and I do the code. Okay, first we will do this button is calculate button. I do in pink color. Okay, no. Okay, and go to code part and start coding. Let's start. Take all event and change ID to button 1 and go in variable, take variable, and here we will write TOTALBRICK, total bricks as. Okay, and here we will write 0 and then we will take for go in counter and take for command and write here I and here score is 2-1. Okay, and here is 4, so delete and go in UI control and take the get number. Okay, and then change ID to bricks. Okay, and then we will go in variable and take the S1 and write here total bricks. Okay, and go in maths, take plus option and write here total bricks. Okay, and here we will write I and go in UI control and take set number 2 times. Okay, I take 2 times and change ID to fast break. Yes, and down one is all bricks. Okay, and here we will write total brick TOTAL total brick BRICKL bricks. Okay, and here we will do here we will take multiply sign. Yes, here we will write total bricks. Okay, I write total bricks and here I will do 4. Okay, all commands are ready. I do it start. I will click on run and write here 7 and do calculate. Yes, my answer is come. Okay, please like the channel, subscribe and thanks for watching and click on bell icon also.